Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily rename blocks. So, how can we do that? If you go conventional way, like for example, going like this and trying to right click on the selected block, you can go one by one, as you can see, and you won't find it. So we go like this. You can check quick properties, but only thing that you can see is what we found is just a name. We can't really change it for whatsoever. If we try to go and click on this one, it won't actually change anything. It's just a name of a block. So let's pick a block. We can move it, rotate it, set constraint, relocate, and many more options. If we click in here in properties, you won't also find anything, just a name, and you can't really change it in here. What you have to do though is click on the block and write down rename and hit enter. With rename, you have a couple of options that you can rename: materials, line types, also layers. We have two layers, xref and def points, but also we have blocks. So in here we have items. We have drawing number 2 block, and then we have SSS block. So old name is SSS, and rename to, I know it's a little bit clumsy to change it actually, but we want to rename it to, for example, renamed block, just like that, and hit enter. Right now, if we select the set block, and we want to go to properties, we see that the block is renamed block. It's easy because if someone sent you their names of blocks into your project and you really need to implement them and make it one project as it is, it's really fitting for you to just use, for example, block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4, and so on and so forth. Or this block will be called, I don't know, garden, or this one is living room, this one is called sofa, and many more, and just not like block 1, block 3. So that's about it. That's how you rename your blocks. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye, folks.